Hi guys, welcome to the Zashukan Anime Talks. This is your host Ray's, accompanied by Chrono as always.
Yo, what's up,
Welcome
guys?
Chrono. Yeah, it's been a long time.
Yeah,
I think it's been like a month since we recorded
yeah,
the last.
yeah. It's been a month.
Yeah, there is the issue of my internet being really bad, and there is also the issue of us being really lazy,
Yeah, and plus exams.
especially
So
yeah,
like,
yeah,
so
exams too. Yeah, we recently just wrapped up our third semesters. I guess third semester.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah, it is third semester.
Even though
So
we barely
yeah,
did anything for it, but we still procrastinated it.
yeah. We were like just we kind of have to show that we are busy to our parents.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's all. So yeah, the topic for today is the Marley arc that is adapted in Attack on Titan final season. We are basically going to talk about and compare between the anime and the manga and talk about all the issues of the CGI and all that. I'm saying issues, but
It's mostly,
yeah,
I guess, minor issues compared to
yeah,
like
really minor
the plot.
issues. Just yeah, because I don't really mind because I just jump straight into it. The thing about like the season 4 arc, like the entire season 4, like even up till now in the manga, like there's not a lot of action in my opinion. Like even if there is action, I don't think like it is like very monumental to the plot in any
Yeah,
way.
I
Like
agree.
yeah, like I was thinking okay CGI Titans, but I was like obviously like I was like okay CGI Titans, I'm kind of suspecting shit, and then I heard that the CGI animators are like really good ones, so I was like, okay, I don't really care that much because there is not a lot of action and everything. But yeah, when episode one dropped, they obviously dropped the ball out of the park and everything.
Yep.
Yeah. So what do you think about the? So have you had any issues with the CGI at all?
Okay, like I'm gonna be honest. Like I thought the Marley arc in the anime is going to be like a 6 out of 10 adaptation, but like
Yeah.
I would say it's at least an 8.5 and 9 out of 10 adaptation. Like Mappa
It
really
is like at least. I think you're like being like really strict with your like. I would say that it is like easily a 9. Like I'm like like I'm just my Attack on Titan simping is like like telling me to keep it a 10. But yeah,
the only reason I wouldn't give it a 10 is because of Declaration of War episode. Like it was a
yeah,
really good one, but like I expected it to be like the greatest thing to ever exist in this mankind. So like my
yeah,
expectations
yeah.
were really so
Yeah, yeah. I think this is like a really weird thing. Like everything else in the Marley arc, like I think like the OST in the Marley arc is like one of the best in the entire series.
yeah,
Like in everything, like from like episode two when we
villains
see,
and everything.
yeah, liners like life and past, and
Yeah,
from that to season four, like episode four, right when Eren is like giving the speech to Falco,
yeah,
like all of a sudden it like switches, it is like silent, and then it switches to the beat, like
yeah,
ding ding with the piano, and I was like so shook when that happened. Yeah, I'm just like really like impressed with the music composing in this season, but yeah, I think like all the manga readers really like took the Declaration of War episode in like really high regards.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah, like
Like the
okay,
thing is, like most of the anime reactors were like satisfied with it, like the anime only. But like
yeah,
because us manga readers had so many expectations and we
yeah,
felt like
like
this.
okay, let me ask you this, like
Yeah.
what are the differences that you found between the while reading the manga and while watching the anime of that episode of that chapter?
Okay, so like the thing was, while reading the manga, I really didn't expect that that particular scene to happen the way it did. So when it happened, I was like extremely hyped. I think that was the first time I was that hyped reading a manga. So
Yeah,
and like the events that proceeded after it made it even more, I would say, godly, that scene.
yeah.
So when the anime was like coming out, I had like sky high expectations, but like I think the anime did a good job for like the anime only, but for us manga readers it was not enough. That's the thing.
Yeah, yeah, I don't know why. Like, I think is like really. I don't think Sawano did that composition. Like I
Yeah.
think it is Kota Yamamoto
No,
because
no, no, no. That track is actually from Levi vs. Beast Titan. It's a remix of that.
oh, okay. Oh no, no, yeah. I think I like saw like here Sawano tweeting that he's like he like did the like declaration of war. I think he tweeted something about declaration of war like of that
I think
episode.
he
Like
did the OST like for the speech or like Eren and Ren stuff. I'm not
yeah,
sure.
I guess so. But I think like everything other than like that
Yeah,
scene.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah, actually, the people are saying that like the OST is the issue in that episode. I think I don't exactly have an issue with the OST that much
yeah.
for
Like,
that, but I think for me the feeling was like really different from when I was reading the manga actually.
yeah, like even if you remove the OST, like I don't know, it just doesn't feel like the same hype kind of moment I had while reading the manga.
Actually, I don't know why, but I think like Eren was like more in a friendly kind of talking in a more friendly
Yeah,
kind of way in my mind while I was reading the manga. Like I
yeah,
was like, okay, he was smiling like most of the time, and in the anime, yeah, they like I think like Isayama's directions, right? I think like
yeah,
he most of the time he's like the one who just more precise with them. I think like even though Isayama the anime did it, because I was like okay. Yeah, I was like thinking that Iron is like talking in. He was like
yeah.
really angry. I don't know if I'm like just reading into things too much. Like I don't know if you felt that. Did you feel something like that?
I'm not exactly sure. Like, like I had, I don't think I felt any emotion while watching the anime version because until that point, like everything was like really good, but uh, I don't know, something was missing, which made it less more enjoyable, I guess.
Yeah.
I'm
Uh,
not exactly sure which
I think
aspect I
I
don't
think
like.
I think everything was perfect, other than Eren's facial expressions.
I'm actually not sure about that.
Yeah, like Eren's facial expressions were like much different in the manga because when he says like I will keep moving forward until I destroy the enemy. I
Yeah,
think he smirks, like he like kind of smiles in that moment. Like they don't show that in the anime, obviously. Like they just show his eyes. But like, where they in the manga, it was like a white panel of like just Eren saying, like they did not like focus on the
yeah,
eyes or anything.
yeah,
Most manga readers, and even while
yeah.
reading the
Like,
manga, it is like a different experience.
I think maybe if we wait for the Blu-ray version, and I'm pretty sure they'll fix like all those inconsistent shots. Maybe then we'll like the episode a lot.
Yeah, I like it a lot
I'm not sure.
actually. I I
Like,
li-
yeah,
I
I
love
also
I love the direction
said,
that they
like,
went with Willy's speech. Willy's speech was perfect, in my opinion.
yeah,
It
it was
was more than
absolutely
perfect.
perfect.
Their presentation, man, oh my god, it was so good.
Yeah,
Yeah, it was so
yep,
much better than I like saw it in the manga. So
yeah,
yeah, I'm like satisfied with that. I guess.
yeah. Okay, like since we have been focusing on like the negative aspect, let's talk about some positive aspect
Yeah,
first. Uh, I think the biggest surprise for me was Gabby and the rest of the crews, like their side.
yeah,
How much I enjoyed their story compared to the manga.
yeah, man. Oh,
Like
like just
the voice just made it everything so much
yeah,
better.
man. Like I don't know how like how I did not notice Falco being such a like the spirit of the spirit of this arc in while reading
Yeah,
the manga. Like in the last episode, today's episode, basically,
yeah, yeah,
Assassin's
yep,
Bullet. Like like
yep,
yeah, when they showed those scenes of like him understanding from the talk between Eren and Reiner, I think it was in the manga, obviously, but
yep,
I think I did not stick with me as much as it did in the anime.
yeah,
Like I'm
same.
just like constantly like thinking about that scene. Like it just every scene just stuck with me that in which was Falco was in basically. He's such a great voice
Yep.
actor for both Gabby and Falco's both.
Like I think while reading the manga, my focus was only on Reiner and Eren.
Yeah,
But like in the anime, my focus is a lot on Gabby and the rest of the crew.
same.
Even though I'm like a massive quote unquote Gabby hater, I'm like I hate her because of her ignorance, but like she's a great character.
Yeah,
But like her voice acting is absolutely phenomenal, man. Like
yeah,
in this episode, how she breaks down and everything, it was just so well done. Like I'm like I'm like genuinely shook how much I enjoyed.
yeah. Like in I did not expect I don't know what is her name, like Harano, I guess. Uh,
Zofia.
I mean like the voice actor for Gabby.
Oh,
Yeah,
Sakura
yeah,
Ayano.
Sakura. I don't know because okay, yeah, yeah, Sakura, right? Yeah, I did not expect like she
Yeah,
has done like all the annoying characters, the characters that I don't like. Uh, uh
yeah.
what is her name? That Gravity Girl from.
Ochaka, My Hero
Is
Academia.
it Ochaka? I don't know. Everyone is so forgettable in My
Yeah,
Hero
it's
Academia.
so I don't
Huh?
I don't blame you.
Yeah. I think I only remember Todoroki, Bakugo, and Keiichi.
Yeah,
These guys. But still, okay, yeah, okay, leave it. Okay, basically, like I don't like any of our previous jobs, like her previous performances, basically. But I think like she absolutely is making like a name for herself by doing Gabby's role.
like okay, like I think her voice acting, like the previous work she did, was like good, but like the characters she
Yeah, yeah,
did
yeah,
were
yeah,
bad.
basically.
So like
Yeah, because
she couldn't
yeah,
stand out.
because the thing is, my sister who just like got into anime just like recently, even she like noticed her voice acting and like searched for her name, like who is the voice actor for Gabby. I mean, that is like a big achievement.
Damn.
That
Yeah,
is like a great thing. Like, man.
I didn't care about voice actors till like 3 or 4 years down the line after I started reading
For
manga.
me, it
So like
started like obviously. I don't think I even need to say like for who Dio obviously because I think the
yeah,
even though I keep on forgetting Dio's voice actor's name, Takehiko, right? Takehiko some
yeah,
Daisuke
yeah.
like
That,
yeah. So most of the time I don't remember his name, but yeah, I know him. And he just pops up out of nowhere, and I'm like, okay, the hypest shit ever.
yeah, well, like no matter which kind of shitty anime he's in, he's always great.
Yeah,
Like
man. I think yeah.
it's the Dio's voice.
He has done some of the greatest characters ever, like Dio, then Takasugi from like Gintama, then
Yeah,
Takasugi, and then I think there is another like in like this SK8 or something. That
yeah,
yeah, even
skate.
there, I was like so hyped because the first episode of the anime is like the greatest sports anime episode of all time, in my opinion.
Yeah, I agree.
I'm
I
not even
agree. Same.
exaggerating, man. That is like so good. I have not like I've
Yep.
not been watching the other episodes because I want to like just
Yeah, same.
yeah,
I also haven't checked any
yeah.
other episodes.
No, because yeah, basically I don't want to run that right now. But yeah, Dio is like in some he's obviously Zeke from Attack on Titan. Yeah,
Yep.
and
And like even like Roswell from like ReZero, I got goosebumps
yeah,
watching
yeah. I was just about to
Roswell
say that.
part
But
two.
like the way he like transitioned to like out of nowhere, like that the
Yep.
way that Rose was fixed.
So good.
Then all of a sudden, okay, oh shit, what the fuck is going on? Why is he like all of a sudden like talking in a normal tone? Like
I don't know why, but like at that time it gave me a lot of
yeah,
Orochimaru
yeah,
vibes.
same. I think he also looks very similar.
Yeah.
But
Okay, like Dio's voice actor is
yeah,
getting
I think first
cut off
like
right now.
just
So
since we started about voice acting, let's just like talk about like all the
yeah,
acting performances in the like Marley arc.
yeah,
So yeah, I think since
yeah.
we're like talking about Dio, I will just like point out like today's episode. Like like how his interaction with like like yeah,
Levi,
man,
yeah,
that was like
that
so
was fucking
fucking
amazing.
hilarious, man. Like the way he's like talking, like I don't know, like of course it is like a Japanese thing, like he's
Yep,
like it is
yeah,
like being sarcastic. It is just so like him, and he's it is like
yep,
a different character than what he usually does because I don't like always recognize that it is like Dio's voice actor, that it is like Zeke most of the time. But yeah, it is
yeah.
yeah, that was like a great sequence for Zeke. So yeah,
I hope in episode 16, like he says Smoother at least once. I really hope that.
bro, that is like the greatest fan service ever. Like Attack on Titan has never, now they're like going to do the greatest fan service in all of anime.
Yep, that would be amazing.
Yeah, seriously.
Okay. Yeah, like aside from Gabby and like obviously Zeke, Reiner was like
Reiner,
also
I
like
think
really
Reiner for me
well done.
was the best in this arc. Yeah, I think you will
Yeah,
prefer
like
Eren
episode 5, his
for
breakdown and everything.
not like overall. For me, it is like Reiner because of course he got more screen time this time, other than the previous seasons. Like
Yep,
for everything, like from that scene where that he talks about like Sasha and everyone, from that to like
yeah,
you know where he like basically he like breaks down with Eren. Like, that was like brilliant.
yeah,
Like I expected like Reiner's voice actor to be like that while like reading the chapter. I don't think like Reiner disappointed me in any way for the episode in like
yeah.
Declaration of War. That was like perfect, like how Reiner like acted. Reiner's actor, like yeah. So for you, who is the favorite this season?
I think
Yeah,
it's obvious, but like I'm a
yeah,
massive
Yuki Kaji.
Yuki Kaji
Yeah, I
fan.
think like he's like too overpowered at this point. I don't think we even need to like, man. Yeah, like
He voiced so many great characters, and like he always does so
yeah.
well.
Even though like yeah,
He's
even
just
though like he
amazing.
doesn't have like a lot of like emotionally like engaging scenes for season 4 that are like
Yep,
going to really like flesh out his character. He's still like
yep,
even though he like his like in that speech that he gives, man, I
yeah.
I get goosebumps every time from that scene, every fucking time.
Man, like in that scene in dub was so
I,
atrocious.
I
Like
thought you
it
were about,
made me almost. It was so bad. Like how the fuck do people even watch that shit,
bro,
man?
man.
Like it's
Yuki
baffling
Kaji
me.
absolutely blew it out to the park, and like I get the best goosebumps when hearing that speech, and like the in the end when he says like "Susumi Suzuketa mono ni shika wakaranai." Holy shit! Oh my god! like
That
like
was
I literally
so
like
sad.
all of a sudden out of nowhere, like when I'm like doing some work, all of a sudden it just comes out of my mouth. Orewa Susumi Suzuketa mono ni shika wakaranai. Holy shit!
And like even in like the last episodes, man, like when he was having that inner monologue with like the jaw titan and how to break it and all that shit, man,
Yeah,
it
yeah,
was so good. Like he felt so ruthless and like
yeah.
scary.
But yeah, it is so hard to talk about this. But all of a sudden, I just like start to give a spoiler. But then okay, shit, we are like doing an episode.
Okay, so like I want to ask you because I have some anime only friends and like most of them didn't see that Zeke and Eren are like planning together and all
Yeah.
this shit. So like I want to ask you, in manga, did you even expect this to happen or like did you saw it coming?
Which part? Like him being on the airship?
Uh, team,
Yeah,
yeah.
obviously, it was kind of obvious because like we see him like
Yeah,
playing with Colt with the baseball, and then we see Aaron with the baseball, and it was more than obvious actually. It was more obvious in the manga compared to the anime.
no, I would say it's more obvious in the anime because uh, like they put a lot of more emphasis on like that aspect of like the baseball and everything in the anime than the manga.
Like they did not what like the literally show him like playing baseball with that glove and the ball. That's what I'm saying. Before, yeah,
Okay,
like we see like him like talking with. That's what I'm saying. But yeah, I think like people call
yeah,
like playing one ball of volleyball, but they don't actually show him like playing volleyball. Like volleyball. Why am I saying volleyball? What the fuck? I'm like reading Haikyuu right now. It's baseball, baseball.
yeah,
Yeah, they basically did not like show him playing baseball, but yeah, most people did not catch on to that
yep,
actually. Yeah.
yeah, yeah,
But it was kind of obvious because like he says that like like my family gave it to me. They thought I will be bored in the hospital. Like it is so
yeah.
obvious. And like I think it is like obvious to us, but yeah,
And like I would say like the reason why a lot of anime onlys are surprised is because how much Beast Titan like gave them trouble
yeah,
in season 3 with their win and everything. So like I think that's the reason why a lot of people didn't want to believe that theory that Zeke and Eren
yeah.
are
As
working
Zeke and
together.
Aaron could, I think I believed that Zeke and Aaron are working together. I did not believe that like they working along with the survey corps, like everyone together. That's what I did not believe because I was
Oh
like,
yeah,
fuck,
yeah,
like he killed like so many people, like and like he's like Levi. I don't think Levi will like spare him, like if he sees him again. That's why I did not expect that
yeah,
to happen, like him being on the airship. Yeah, a little bit. I was not like surprised by that, but yeah, I did not expect it to happen that much.
yeah.
Yeah, basically.
Uh, and also the biggest complaint so far aside from the CGI was Reiner's backstory episode. Like a lot of things were cut in
Yeah,
that
they were
episode.
good, but I did not like. I did not go on and like check for the manga comparisons because I was like, I could have like I did not like get the time. I wanted to check, but okay, I was like more than satisfied with that. What were the things that were cut actually? I don't really know.
Okay,
Don't
like the
really
thing was,
remember.
I read the manga chapters of it as soon as the episode dropped. Like as soon as I saw the episode
Yeah,
and the complaints, and like right now I don't remember anything aside from the
yeah,
anime details because most of them are kind of insignificant, but they add a lot of depth to the overall backstory. But like, I think what they have adapted is the best parts
yeah,
of the backstory, and like give you everything you need to
yeah,
know about Rhino. So I think it's not really that much of a complaint. I think yeah, I agree they did cut a lot of stuff, but with the pace of where they're going and how they got to the end of Malek, I think what they
yeah.
did
I
was
don't. I don't think that if like you don't remember the what is like cut out, it is like that big of an issue.
yeah,
Because yeah, manga readers tend
yeah,
to be picky, and that is like the nature of an adaptation at this point. Like yeah,
yeah. Uh, like I'm at least satisfied this is not like My Hero Academia levels of manga comparison. If you remember back in season 3, like a character were like 1 centimeter apart compared to the manga counterpart, and they're like a whole rant in
My
Twitter
Hero
about it.
Academia.
And like uh,
I
yeah,
don't care about that
like
series. Why do you expect me to know this kind of stuff?
no, I'm saying that at least that manga comparisons don't
Yeah, yeah.
exist in Attack on Titan fandom.
Okay, I don't. Yeah, they.
So that's a
Man,
good.
why are they so weird, man? Like their fan base is so weird. Like I think that they commented like something like it was like funny. Like it was not that like I did you
Yeah,
see it? Like it. I think you are on my Twitter. Don't know if you saw it. Yeah, you like
which
tweeted
one?
out like that. Uh, My Hero Academia has a very basic world building. Then My Hero fanboys. Then
Yeah,
I
yeah, yeah.
commented on that post. Okay, like and kind of thing. Like I basically tweeted something like that. And holy shit, like so many people started to attack me. Like holy, like that is like my first like Twitter experience because I don't really like have the time or like energy to tweet like comment that much. Then I went on to say like okay,
Okay.
because it's basic world building doesn't mean that it is like a bad anime or anything like bad. It is like bad. I did not say that
Yeah, yeah,
it is like bad. I just said that it is like basic and there is like nothing like entirely special about it that is like that has like not been done before. It is like been done like really well, other than the characters.
Yep.
Obviously. Yeah, that's what I said. But they were like, holy shit, why? They like, I don't know, they're just weird. Yeah,
They're just very
I
different.
I don't understand. Like everyone has like a weird experience with the My Hero Academia fandom.
Compared to the
It
rest
is
of the
very
fans.
weird, man. Like, why are you supposed to, like even one day, like I commented on like one Discord. I don't think it is like one Reddit group, I guess. Like long 2018 or 2019, 2019, 2018. Yeah, before I even like completed my
Yeah.
12th exam, it was I just commented like, have you seen a series better than Attack on Titan? Like they were like My Hero Academia,
Damn.
this shit. Then okay, I liked it. I watched it. Then I liked it. Then all of a sudden, okay. Then yeah. Then I read the manga. Then I was like, okay, not worth it as of now.
Yeah, like it's average at best, but like it's
Yeah, yeah,
enjoyable
yeah. Wow,
average.
that is like the best way to describe My Hero. Okay, moving on.
I think season 2 was like it, and like after that it became.
Yeah, I think like
extremely
the only thing I enjoyed about season 3 was like the fight. They're like in between.
Yeah, All Might versus All.
Yeah,
That's what I
that fight along with like him like pointing at Deku and like that thing. Yeah, that and like
Oh,
yeah, I think that is like the highest point of My Hero Academia. Like he the Bakugos and his fight
yeah.
and with like My Hero, like that. All Might thing.
Yeah.
Okay, moving on. Why are we talking about My Hero Academia? Fuck that shit. Okay. Where were we?
Okay, so like the ironic thing was in all the previous seasons, Colossal
Yeah,
Titan was
what the
CGI and
fuck?
rest of the Titans were hand drawn. Like in this season,
I
Colossal is hand drawn.
think they're
Even
trying
in
to
the
flex
rumbling
on
mention.
it or like just I don't know, just doing something like really weird. Like why would they do that, man? I think it is like because they don't want to create a model like for a Titan that is like
because
that,
even
huh?
now, he even in the manga right now, he doesn't
Yeah,
transform after the March.
he doesn't transform at all. He is like I
Yeah,
think
so
this is
like-
like a spoiler,
Yeah,
but
and like nobody would
yeah,
get what
yeah. Basically, there is literally no action after this. There is like one episode of action, I guess, in the.
No, like I would say 3 because we got the Levi thing and like
yeah.
the whole everybody got.
That is not a spoiler because it was like literally in the trailer. Yeah.
Yeah. Damn, man, the trailer.
Man,
was so
I
much
feel
stuff.
bad for people who like pause the like they legit suck, man. The trailer just sucks. Like it is like the greatest trailer of all time, but it is also like the worst trailer of all time.
Like yeah, if you're a manga reader, it's like the greatest thing you'll ever see. But if you're an anime only, you'll get.
Yeah, they
spoilers.
literally have that thing, you know, that thing with the blood on its face. And like what the fuck, man? That is like
Yeah,
just
yeah.
bad.
I'm actually genuinely like curious if like the parts will look like that as is shown in the trailer. Because so far every shot.
Yeah, I didn't expect the parts to look like that. I thought that they will like replicate what like they showed with Wit. Like Wit showed the parts as like rainbow or any kind of thing, rainbowish kind of thing, and they are like showing it like golden something. Yeah,
orange.
That's weird.
I wasn't really a fan of it. I hope.
Yeah, I think they will modify it because till now we have seen like a lot of modifications with the anime, and I'm like more than satisfied with them. Yeah.
Okay, so like I think the elephant
Yeah.
in the room is like the season.
Exactly.
So like okay, so I am a guy who usually hates CGI in the anime I watch. Like if I see CGI, I immediately skip the video. I hate CGI. Like it's so bad in like most of them. Only like affordable
Yeah,
productions are like good, but rest of
yeah.
the time it's like dog shit. But like I really didn't care about CJ in Attack on Titan season 4. Like it was really good. Obviously, it had some issues here and there, but like
Yeah, I
I
think
didn't.
I haven't like been that guy who like hates on CGI other than the fact that I'm a Berserk fan and like 26 Berserk 2016 and 2017 exist. Other
Oh
than that fact, I have like not like been
no,
like a big hater of CGI in any anime because I don't think
around 16, 17
like I'm a big fan of like Berserk, Berserk and like Berserk 2016 and 2017 exist. And yeah, that's a fact that they exist. But yeah, other than that, I have like not been like had like bad experiences with CGI. But yeah, I if they show up, if it yeah, I think like the worst like the something that like turned me off was like what was the name of that anime, Dragon Quest. And I think like that is like the worst example, one of the worst bad examples of like using CGI. It is like literally like the best, like they just go on with like the like such a great Dragon Ball vibe, and all of a sudden they like switch to CGI for not only the monster but also the main character. And that like turned me off so much, and
yeah,
literally paused it and like closed the episode in like I think it was episode 2, I guess. Like closed it and like did not like touch another episode ever again. Like I think that is like one of the most like remembering experiences of mine with CGI. Other than that, in that
damn. So it's basically traumatized you of
I guess some mecha anime, not like some other like I guess really, what is that name? Ergo Proxy, I guess. But those are like small models, so I don't really care.
okay. Yeah. Like I don't get how like everybody's complaining about Attack on Titan CJ when like Exam is airing right now and Berserk
Yeah,
2016 exists.
you,
Uh,
yeah.
I don't even know how
Yeah,
they
man,
pull off
like
this.
I think like episode 1 had like the best CGI in all of anime. I think like episode
Yeah,
6 was a little lacking in its CGI compared to episode 1. Like episode
like the thing in episode 1 only Armor Titan and the Z and Beast Titan
yeah,
was CGI.
Jordan was also CGI. I think yeah,
Oh,
Jordan
okay,
Titan
okay.
like solidified like that like
Forgot.
Jordan showed up at the first he came in like and destroyed all those things. And I was like, holy shit, like this is CGI.
Oh
Like
yeah, yeah.
I did not know the CGI could look this good in anime. That I was like, okay, this is like really good, and I was like expecting Reiner. Then Reiner came down, and holy shit, man, that was like so good. That was such. That is like the
Yeah,
best examples of
that
using CGI and
was
like using the lighting to like make it more realistic. And I don't know how they like increase the frames of the CGI
yeah,
for him. Like whoever did that, did the
yeah.
movements is like a good knows his stuff basically. I think
Yeah, yeah.
most people were complaining about the Beast Titan.
Yeah, like I would say only
Yeah,
like
yeah.
the fur looks
Yeah,
off.
actually, the
Aside
the
from that,
main
he
difference
looks good.
between like Wit Studios, Beast Titan and his and their Beast Titan is like Wit Studio, like in order to make him more bright, like added some lightings on its edges, on the edges of its hair. That's what they did
Oh,
actually. Basically the bound. Okay, the overall structure. Okay, like they just added lighting in like all the like top parts, and like they made him look a lot more like I guess 3D and more contrasting. And for like them, they have not
okay.
done that. It is basically all dark and all that. Yeah, I agree
Yeah,
that
yeah.
like in episode 1 it
Yeah,
was like
true.
only the landing was weird for me. Other than that, I was like, okay, I expected him to look like that. Uh, yeah, but I think like episode six, I guess 6, right? 7.
Yeah, I think so far the best looking one is
Yeah, Jaw Titan is the
Ember or
best
Shark
by
Titan.
far, in my opinion.
Yeah, like I think the movement of Jaw Titan is the best, and like looks wise, War
Yeah,
Hammer is the best in CGI.
I think like
Like
the episode 7 had the best CGI compared to like all the 3 other episodes. Among the 3 episodes.
yeah, man, like all
Yeah, like the way that
is
you
so good
use
and
the like the camera work and everything. And even in episode 8, man, like that scene with Reiner being a 2D, Reiner being 2D and like Eren, like man, that scene
Yeah.
was so well done.
I didn't expect like the ODM gate sequences to look even remotely as good as they did
Yeah, yeah,
in
yeah. I was
last
like
episode.
really like I was like really like turned off all like for like 5 seconds, 5 or 10 seconds when like they showed that Mikasa is like two 3D three CGI basically. Like she shows up out of nowhere, right? And she's like CGI, and I was like, oh,
Yeah,
what? Okay, this is going to get some negative criticism. Uh, but yeah, after that, I was like, I got used to it basically.
yeah, like it's really good CGI. Like it's just like people nitpicking for the sake of nitpicking, because
Yeah,
they really can't nitpick about the
I
plot.
think I don't think manga readers should
That's the
complain
only thing
because
they
they
can
know that
nitpick.
there is like no almost no action in this arc, almost. Yeah,
Yeah,
I
I
don't.
agree.
Yeah,
Uh, and also like the thing is, I have a friend, and like he's mainly
yeah,
like a shonen fanboy. Like he really doesn't care about like romance or like sin or anything. So like he, I wouldn't say he's a massive Attack on
yeah.
Titan fan, but he enjoys it a lot. And like he recently called me up and like he told me, man, the latest episode was so awful and garbage.
Yo,
Why
what the
am I even
fuck?
watching this? I should drop this. What the
Which
fuck is
episode?
wrong with you? Like I asked him, why did you not enjoy it? He was like, obviously because there was no action. It was just so boring and dull.
Okay.
I was like,
Which episode basically? Okay, Sasha, Assassin's Bullet.
and
Are you serious right now?
yeah,
I think if he says that Midnight Sun is like not one of the greatest episodes of like Attack on Titan, I would like flip out.
okay. So like here's another hot take he had. He told season 3 was overall the worst season of Attack on Titan. He told me the only good scene in the entire season 3 was Viva versus Patient.
Is he a
Other than that,
kid?
everything was shit.
How is he? Is he or is he the
No,
same age as us or no?
it's
We know.
actually a
Okay,
guy
I don't
too.
know.
So
Oh, holy
no,
shit! Okay,
you
is
also
it
know.
who I think it is? Ah, I knew it.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, then I can expect these things from him. Actually, I think like he's okay. We don't need to like to be
Yeah.
having hot takes just for the sake of hot takes. So I don't really care. Mm, like that is like basically all he
Yeah.
does whenever I talk to him. But okay, moving on.
Okay, so like anything else
Yeah.
major to talk about?
Okay. What is what is there basically? We have basically discussed about all of it, other than Sasha's death. I did not want to bring it up, and I'm like,
Okay, so I yeah, so like the thing is, unlike Craze, I'm not a weak mortal.
fuck
So like
off.
I really didn't cry or care for Sasha's death.
Yeah, basically, I did not like. I don't know. Like
So
I
like
think if I like did not like if I did not see it coming, I think I would have I would have not cried because I knew that it was coming. Like it was that is the reason that I cried, like teared up. Basically, did not like just bawl my eyes out like the day like I saw Edwin like charging towards that day. I bawled my eyes out. Holy shit! I've never like felt like or cried that way for any scene in any anime. But
okay, that particular moment I can agree on crying, but like for Sasha's
yeah,
death, I really
you're fucking influenced by Heavenly Controller. But alright.
no, I mean like, even in like the
Yeah.
previous seasons, I really didn't care about Sasha. Like
Yes, Connie
was
is my
like
least favorite. I wouldn't have cared at
favorite
all if
character.
Connie died. Sasha is like just yeah, okay. Like it is like the
Yeah,
most disappointing thing about Sasha dying is like everything is going to be really dark now. Like she was like the only one like who was
yep.
making the anime like a little less a lot less like dark compared to like what it usually is.
Okay, so like the thing is, I dislike Kanye a lot, and I think he's annoying, but I don't dislike Sasha. I just uh, she's not my like, I don't know, like I don't
Yeah,
like
yeah.
her. At the same
I
time,
do.
I
I don't have
also
any complaints with
don't
that.
hate her.
I just think that she's like a really like kind-hearted person. And, like, basically, that is what Isayama does. He just wants to like kill
Yeah,
off
yeah,
the person with the most like who just did nothing wrong. No, she did do wrong things, but yeah, basically like we know her to be a really kind-hearted
yep.
person and all that.
I would say among the main cast, she's like the
Yeah,
most
weird
sane
enough.
person, surprisingly.
Yeah, the most sane is Armin, I guess.
Like, okay, so like that scene where he's reaching his hand out to her and
Yeah,
everything.
man.
That
I
scene
think
is
like
good.
there was like no
His
OST and
expression
there
too.
was like just the rudder like burning around it. Like Picasso's expression, Aaron's expression, and all that was like perfect. I expected it to be like that, and it was like just like we expected actually.
Yep, it was. Yeah,
Yeah.
it was so depressing. Like seeing
Yeah,
all
and
of
this
them
same scene was
finally
like in
coming
season
together
3,
after
part
so
1.
long, but not in the.
But in
Yeah,
smiling and like saying Eren, and when also like Levi
yep,
kicks Eren, like he stops
yep,
Mikasa and gives her that look, and Mikasa agrees as well. Uh,
yeah.
damn.
It's like that broke me a lot compared to Sasha's death.
I understand.
Yeah,
But yeah, I wouldn't say that Sasha's death broke me, but yeah, I was like really empathetic with like Connie and John and everyone. Like they've been together for so long. I think that's how I like viewed it. Basically, that's why it like made me really sad. But yeah, nothing has been like been able to like make me feel how like Edwin's charge made me feel. Like watching that scene for the first time, man. Holy shit! I did not like expect like anything in this series to make me as
yeah. Like I would say,
yeah. I think of course there is like the scene of like of the Midnight Sun. Midnight Sun is amazing, but I think like it was more of a like a shocker thing of Erwin's charge, and that's why it like brought that like of a certain burst of like
yeah,
shock
yeah,
and tears out of everyone. Midnight Sun was like a gradual
yep.
like a knife that is like gradually entering you and like
Build up.
not exactly making you cry entirely, but it
Yeah,
just like hurts a lot.
and I don't think even in the manga
Yeah, I don't think
there
Midnight
is
Sun
any
can be
emotional
topped
moment
at all.
as
Not at this point in the manga. Maybe the ending,
yeah.
most probably the
I
ending,
don't know, like
but not as like great as Midnight Sun. Midnight Sun has like so much riding on it, man. But yeah, I think like we will get like a callback to Midnight Sun in the last chapter, or like say last second chapter. Something of like a
yeah.
parallel kind of
I
thing, I
hope
guess.
it.
Yeah, I think that's
Like
it.
anything else to discuss?
So basically, like, what are the expectations
Okay, so
that you
like
have for the next
since
arc?
we are like,
Yeah,
I mean, next arc is mostly dialogue, right? Like there really isn't that much. Okay, like there there are some major reveals about Vikas and like Aaron's thing, but like
yeah.
aside from that, there really isn't
Honestly, that is also how I felt about like Marley arc. Like not exactly like that, but it was like I felt like okay, there is like going to be a lot of dialogue, so people are like not really going to care about it that much. But yeah, it was like completely the opposite of what I thought.
yeah.
So let's see like how they cut out the dialogue from the scenes.
Like okay, so, like the thing is, I remember Marley arc a lot more compared to this current arc. I
No,
think it's called
no.
War for
I don't
Paradise.
think this arc is called War for Paradise.
War
Of
of
course, you said
Paradise
that.
is the title, right?
Cut that out.
Okay. Oh, I completely forgot.
Yeah.
People know.
But okay, yeah. No, I think like flashback and present, like Eren mystery arc, I guess, something like that. Because I think the War on
Yeah,
Paradise
yeah.
arc like starts when they arrive on the island.
Okay, so like, okay. I actually take that bet because in this arc we have a lot of
Yeah, yeah.
Gabby's and like the Marlian's character arcs. The main
Holy shit,
character arc.
Zeke is going to be one of the best
Forgot
favorite
his.
characters for a lot of people.
I think his backstory
10,
is
10.
very good.
I think like episode chapter 110 and 111 was like Zeke's backstory. So next episode is like going to be 109 and
Oh, okay, okay.
110. I think we will get to see a little bit of Zeke's backstory, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah, I think, or like a big revelation of Zeke. Like, okay, spoilers, but okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So like, for the big fight of like.
Yeah. Oh my
do you
God,
have any
that is like
expectations for that?
they're too high. I think that is like going to get a lot of shit from people.
Yeah, like if it was wit, okay, even if it was not wit, if EMI freelancer was involved, I wouldn't really
Yeah.
care about having expectations or anything. But since he's not working, I don't know how to.
They will definitely
deal
use
with
CGI for the
CGI for
base
that
title.
fight.
I don't think they will like change or anything because
No, I
yeah,
mean
yeah.
like how Levi.
No, yeah, I don't think that it is like a smart move to
Like I'm not sure.
CGI. They knew it is not a smart move. That's why they did not do it in episode 6 and 7.
Yeah,
So I don't have any expectations for that.
yeah,
I'm like lowest point for that. I don't have any expectations for the fight scenes, man. Like I like episode 7 was like really good, but I don't really want to like have any expectations for fight scenes
yeah.
because this is not that kind of a show, basically.
And like also compared to previous seasons,
Yeah,
this
yeah.
season
There
fight
is
scenes are
basically no fights. It's almost none. Yeah, and there is some, but yeah, I think like, they will get around to it however they want. No, I just want the fight scenes to like conclude fast and like the stuff being revealed. Okay.
yeah. Yeah, and also I want to ask her about like after episode 16, we don't know if it's a part 2 or a movie.
I
What
think
do
if
you
it is a
prefer,
movie, if it is
part
a
2 or a
movie, like of course, like things like that will be better executed. Uh, that is obvious, but yeah, I really don't mind it being a movie. But I think like most people should like read the manga if it is a movie because I'm like planning to like let my sister read the manga if it is like announced to be a movie.
Yeah, like the thing with it being a movie,
A lot
it
there is like a
being
lot
movie
of stuff
they
to
have to
cut
cut a lot of
if it is a
stuff,
movie.
and like yeah, like I think when the movie starts, they have to at least do a 10-minute
Yeah.
recap because how complicated the events are to remember for everybody. So I'm not sure. Like if they do 2 movies, then it would
Yeah.
be it would be like the best pacing possible.
Nah,
I
no,
don't
2
think many
parts. Are you
people would
fucking
be
serious?
happy
No
with
fucking
the
way. It's a good movie.
final season. Like, and if it ends up being a movie, I don't think you'll
24,
see the
holy
second
shit.
movie come to like 24 or some shit like that. Yeah, like the movie at least takes
Yeah,
one and
because
a half
I
years
think
to
like the
complete
Mappa will
if they
like
want
really
it to be the
suffer
best
if it is like a
possible.
series. Like they will suffer a lot. So yeah, I think it is like a.
Yeah,
I don't know, man. I don't mind it being. I don't mind like that scene being. I just. It is like a hard take. I don't mind either way.
I mean, like to be fair, those scenes in the final arc are like not
Yeah,
that
that's
abandoned,
true.
right? Like only a couple of scenes here
Yeah,
and there.
right now it is
It's not like
kind
every
of like
chapter
that, but
is
yeah.
about that, right? Yeah, so like I think even if it's a part 2, I think they can pull it off. But if it ends up being at this part, like so okay, so basically after Attack on Titan season 4 episode 16,
Yeah.
Kingdom season 3 will take over its time slot, and it is scheduled for like
36.
24 or 36 episodes. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure, but I heard that it will end at November this year.
Okay.
After that, the time slot will be free. So part 2 could be at the end of this year
I think it
or
will be
next
December,
year,
the same
March,
as
or even
like
December.
because I heard, I don't know if this is true or anything, but that like season 4 took like 8 to 9 months or something to is that legit news?
Yeah,
Yeah, because I like they are definitely
yeah,
like
it's
already
actual
working
news.
on like season 4 part 16, like season 4 part 2. So I think like they it will like be
No, like actually, they haven't even started working on anything regarding part 2. They still haven't
oh,
completed till episode
holy
12, I
shit.
think.
That is so
They
bad.
have to still animate a lot
But
of
okay,
stuff.
I think like then I guess from April, March or something they will start. I think it should be done.
I I don't know
Bruh,
because like the staff are
bruh,
leaving,
this is so
so
stressful.
I'm not sure if they'll agree to go
So stressful.
for another 10 episodes.
But okay, let's see what happens.
Yeah. Uh, uh, but the thing is, with them making a part 2, if they do it,
Yeah.
it will be a lot easier because they're used to the designs and everything. Since this is part 1, they are
Yeah.
new and everything. Like it is a lot harder than usual, but when part 2 comes around, it will be a lot easier for them. So they could do it like after, as soon as episode 16, and
Yeah.
they could start working on part
Let's
2.
see it.
I'm not
I
sure.
don't mind either way actually, even if it's a movie. If it's a movie, it will take a longer time than
Yeah,
part 2, I guess.
yeah.
Yeah, next year.
It
Holy
will
shit.
definitely be at the end of next year. I think by
I
then everybody will be spoiled.
hype
The
will be
manga
like a
readers.
little subdued, kind of. Oh, yeah. Shit.
No,
Right.
I don't think so because
This ending an episode, chapter
after the
122.
final chapter.
Totally forgot.
So like, yeah. So like, everything on Twitter is going to be
Bro.
like about how
Bro,
the
it is
final
like
chapter has
such a
gone.
big slap on the face for
So
every anime
it will
watcher,
be
like episode
like,
16's cliffhanger. Holy shit, how do you live after that, man?
like, yeah, like in the final chapter, I don't know, Levi, Mikasa, like 3 major characters dies,
Yeah.
and like you hear that news and then you watch episode 16. So like, okay, cool. I really
Holy
don't care.
shit.
I just want to see.
Okay. Actually, it is already the. Hello. Yeah. I was saying it is already the week for the new chapter.
Yeah,
actually.
I mean,
Holy shit.
yeah.
You know it is
drops
already
on 6th
inconsistent.
of 7.
It could be anywhere around 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I wonder what's going to happen now.
Yeah.
Okay, that is like for another day. I think the next episode for our podcast will be that for the new chapter. Yeah, okay. I guess that's it. We're gonna wrap up now.
Yep.
Okay.
Wait, like I just want to
No,
start off
I
about
downloaded
Boruto.
episode 1.
Have you seen Hero of the Female?
Okay, I'm going to watch it right now.
I have watched it. Like no, like the first episode is like it's like nothing.
Okay,
It's a basic
alright.
episode. You have to watch episode 1.
Okay, it is been trending for a long time. Everyone is talking about it. I wonder what is so bad. Okay.
Okay, so like the thing is, if it wasn't for Attack on Titan,
Okay,
right
like
now,
Twitter being offended or
everything about
something.
Twitter would be about Hero of the Female.
I think that is like for
Yeah,
Yeah.
because most people are Attack on Titan CGI, but like Attack on Titan isn't airing right now.
holy
They
shit.
would straight up cancel the author.
Man, Twitter sucks. I hate that I use Twitter under your
It's on a
influence. Okay, okay. I guess we should wrap up. Next episode is redo of Healer. Do catch us next week, and also catch us in
Yeah.
Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and all that. No, yeah, and yeah, please support us. It's been a long time, and I know
Yeah.
we haven't been around. I know there are some listener. I
Yep.
don't, but okay. Yeah, audience.
Actual audience, more or less, which is surprising.
Yeah,
But thank you guys
okay.
for
Yeah,
listening to our podcast.
that's it for today's
Channel.
episode.
So
Take
that's
care.
it.
Peace. See ya.